Hello students, welcome to the first edition of our virtual class. I am Miss Abasiama Daniel, your biology teacher for SS1. I am so excited to have all of you under my guide on this important educational journey. So, in today's class, we will be discussing, or we will be starting with the introduction to the subject biology. To some of you, this may be your first time of having this subject. But regardless, I assure you have the best experience to learn and grow during this lesson. So what is biology? Biology is derived from two Greek words, bios and logos. Bios means life, and logos means to learn or to study. Putting it together, biology can simply be defined as a study of life. But in general terms, biology is defined as a study of living things, that is, plants and animals, because it is living things that has life in them. There are two major branches of biology, that is zoology and botany. Zoology is a study of animals, and botany is a study of plants. There are many other sub-branches of biology, which we have physiology, we have cytology, and many others. Another thing we'll be looking at today is the characteristics of living things. What are living things? We can simply put that living things are those things that has life in them, and they are distinguished from the non-living things by a number of characteristics. Some of these characteristics, we'll be talking about them now. The first one is movement. So living things move from place to place. Movement can be defined as the ability of living things or the ability of an organism to move or to carry its whole body or part of its body from one place to another. Most animals have the ability of moving their whole bodies from one place to another, while most plants can only move part of their body, such as the leaf, the roots, the shoot, in response to external stimuli. Another characteristic is respiration. Every living thing respires. Respiration is the process by which living things make their food or makes energy. How do they do this? They make energy by breaking down food substances in the body, either aerobically or anaerobically, to release energy alongside other components like carbon dioxide and water. We have another characteristics of living thing, which is irritability or responses. Irritability is the ability of living things to detect and respond to changes in the environment. For instance, there is water or an environment is wet. A living thing will respond or will detect that and respond either negatively or positively. Or if there is heat in an environment, a living thing will detect that and respond either positively or negatively. We have another characteristics, which is reproduction. Reproduction is the ability of living things to give birth to another living thing of its kind. There are many different ways of living things doing that. We have the sexual reproduction and the asexual reproduction. We have another one, we have many other characteristics which we may not have the time to mention all of that. For further studies, my dear learners, Please kindly visit St. Paul Comprehensive Secondary School, Imeg Road, Ikot Ekpene, Akwa Ibom State. A visit to our school will allow us to focus more on your learning progress. Thank you. Bye for now.